make sure the shit doesn't
1
crash.
HP, bro.
We put on the limiter. Put that shit on like 2. AP baby blue.
Oh my god, W
Oh wait,
match
no,
shot.
I'm not gonna be able to pick my.
W
Oh, I
match
didn't.
shot.
Where's it gonna put me? You don't put me
W
out my
match
comfort
shot.
zone.
$46 and 23, bro. So yeah, 2K, bro. 10 assists. I dropped a triple double. Okay. Most damage in the lobby too. Fuck the niggas up.
Jalen was streaming Transformers yesterday with Librizo head ass. What, on kick? Yo, why am I
Hell
getting
yeah.
stutters, bro?
Hell yeah. Oh no, I fucking kick, man.
Oh, this might be the place for real. Got me up with. Oh, now the civilians running. Don't run, don't trip. Yo, why am I getting some mean ass stutters right now, bro? Bit. What? Yo, these stutters they're insane too. These crazy ass stutters. Nah, something ain't right, bro. Oh, he was beefing a damn thing. Actually, hold on. Yo, what are these stutters? Play this shit with Jalen, bro's playing X Defiance. I've been told him to download this shit. I gotta figure. Why am I getting these crazy ass stutters right now? Is that
I'll write you on kick.
Wait, what is that top right? Is that lag? That can't be lag.
My fault, bro.
My shit's
I just
freezing.
be gaming on that motherfucker on X. I be gaming. I don't be being in chat most
Alright,
of
let
the
me
time.
see.
I be too busy gunning shit, bro.
Cause this shit is crazy stutters. Shit could get me killed.
I never saw the nigga stare video. Oh my god.
No, what?
You know that meme would be like nigga stairs?
No. Like, this is unfamiliar. What the fuck? Oh shit. Where you come from, bitch ass nigga? Don't run, don't trip. You. Oh my god, where you? Don't run, don't trip. Oh, that's a. Oh, you're bummy. I can't lie. She
I ain't
mad
gonna lie,
bummy.
chat. Not feeling this match right here, bro.
All right.
Definitely not
Lost
feeling
some
this match right
shields.
here. Not feeling it, bro.
All right. All them stutter spikes just threw off my entire game, bro. Oh, I need a little shotgun to go with this AR, bro.
Dropped him. Drop. You P90 using bitch, okay. Why don't you fucking P90?
Oh wait, I picked up the damn burst. Oh my, oh yo, is that lag? How would that be? 'Cause I'm seeing shit top right. Why is it going orange? Is it because I'm downloading that shit?
I'm good at Bloodhound.
You don't think you'll be good at this game?
I don't think I'll be good, bro.
Why not? Just run and gun, bro. Where am I getting shot from? All right, let me third party this shit. But you gotta at least try it. Try it, and you like it. Right, 3 spree. Will I get the kill for this?
Focus camera.
Nope. But bro died. How come I don't get the kill? Oh my god. Who is you, pimp? Oh, you just got fried. I ain't gonna lie, you got fried, buddy.
Nigga, roll my clip, bro. Just ruin my clip. Oh my god.
You might have to put him on the double B, bruh. Should get wicked out here. Actually.
I'm still mad. Like, I
Oh
didn't ruin my
no.
clip, bro.
Oh no. Yeah, I'm cooked. I'm so cooked, bro. I'm so cooked. It's actually Jover. Wait, never mind. Why isn't he chasing? Why did it get so quiet? Oh, they shaking so much ass. Who is you, pimp? I was trying to get the LMG. Where'd he go? Don't run, don't trip. Don't do none of
Bro,
that.
like you're literally right there, bro. Oh my god, bro.
Why is there so much people here? Little takedown. Little takey. Yeah, we're frying, bro. We're frying. And these kids can't hang with me, bro. They just can't. I don't get it. Alright, where's the rest of the people that were here? These niggas cannot hang with me, bro. Bro, there's another kid lurking around here, and there's one on the roof as well. I knew it, bro. I'm cooked. Y'all be doing the most unnecessary shit, bro. Wait, where is he? Oh my god, that was way too close. Like, way too close. Right, 6 kills already for the rest of the people. Yeah, I don't think I should use the shotgun.
Oh,
I'm
God,
gonna use
both
the
is
Tommy
scam.
gun. Nope, get.
Out in.
You little ass stealing my loot, bro. Oh, I should have switched guns there. What am I doing? I don't know why I didn't switch guns. I just wasted my shield. And he didn't have any shields. Double jump
Like, you're
boots.
just sitting up there, bro. Like, jeez, bro.
Alright, my
Oh
last
my God,
armor.
it's over, bro.
Alright, let me. Who's in storm, bro?
Like, oh my
Who's in the
God,
gas?
Bro, this nigga is so ass, bro.
I heard kids back here. Where y'all hiding?
Niggas is so booty, bro. Nigga tiger my mother, bro.
Still 22 people alive.
Alright, bro.
Where are these 21 individuals? See, Frankie, they can't hang with me, bruh.
Can I get help, bro?
Is that an individual or a... Oh no, that's a fucking bunch of civilians down there. Oh, they're fighting over here. Oh, I wonder if it's possible to get a 20 in this game. It's probably hard, though.
Ow.
Even with the...
Top with the
lies.
X-Defy, of course, Frankie. Yo, the fact that you're so low is triggering me, bro. Die.
You gonna die. Why is this kid just
This
chilling
shit is
down
not
here,
nigga
bro?
money, bro.
This... Oh. I'm playing against Houdini, bro. It's not looking good. It is not looking good for your boy. Where'd he go? Wait, where did he go? Get your damn armor cracked, bitch. Now I have no more armor, bro. I need to kill that kid.
Bruh, the jumping scheme in this game is actually horrible.
Bro, I need some damn armor, bro.
It's the only flaw, like jumping in this game. It's not this.
Them shots. I don't like this area. Somebody lurking on my ass.
Yo, how am I holding that all by my... Where's my thing, bro? I'm actually getting lost. Like, how can you be so at our video game, bro?
Is that even a person?
Bro, I don't get it, bro. You see me on both hype. You see you on both platforms just hyping about to go on quick again. Oh, okay, drinking.
These dudes and their stink bombs, bro.
Oh,
Oh, how is that kid still alive? What? Bro, I did not hear that kid, bro. Oh my god. I did not hear that kid. And now he's gonna die. See how
I'm
this
getting
shit
quadruple
works.
team, bro.
Oh, I just spawned in off to fight someone. Where'd he go? Oh, what are these stutters, bro? Oh. Like how, bro? Like how? Oh my god. Please let me get up in time. Please, please, please let me get up in time, bro. It's so close. Dude, no, why are you backing up into me, bro?
Shoot, bro.
Why is this kid backing up into me? Alright, get me up this damn building. Bro, you're fighting. Why are you looking at me, bro?
Nigga, it's camping, bro. Are you fucking serious?
Man, it's such strange individuals on this game, bro. Now I have no more blood bags. I'm so cooked. It's regenerating, though. But what is the best angle? Okay, I'm gonna drop down then. Bro, how do you see me?
Yo, like, where's my team at, bro? Like, do y'all even want to win? And you don't die, you're 1 HP, bro. Actually, that's actually insane.
Oh my god, these stutters. Alright. Blood bag. Armor. Alright. We might be making a comeback now. Use this armor. Wait, how do I only have... Why does it still say I have 7 kills? Did I not just kill that dude right there?
Claw movement right there. Yes, sir, man. Your head glistening like the grip, bro.
I'm gonna get sneaky. Little sneak.
Like,
Oh, he's running and tripping.
there's pokey beef.
Don't run, don't trip.
Like, oh my god, bro. Like, it's actually crazy how I literally just get demolished because my team is
Wait, how do I get into the circle,
anything,
bro? What is this? I ain't grabbing any of this shit.
That's mindset so bad, bro. I swear he is. Niggas sitting.
Oh, I'm about to fry your shit, buddy. You're not safe. You are not safe. How do I tell you? I could push that, but is there a kid up there? Hmm, 12 tacky. Don't run. Don't run. Bro said don't run, don't bitch. What does that mean, buddy? You're messing up the lingo. Or is there a kid up here? Let me just shotgun just in case.
Hold on, chat. Like, I was getting distracted.
That for LG? What do you mean? Uh-oh. Oh. Oh no. What? I need this so bad. Wait, aren't these the last kids? Where's the last body? Wait, where's the last body at? That's the last kid. Where's the last body at? Bro, I'm deadass about to... Where's my other body at? Yep, he's alive again. Bro, if I lose this, this is actually tragic. Because I killed this kid, bro, and I just couldn't get the finish. And I have no more shields. Oh yeah, you're done for, buddy. You're so cooked. Well, let me run up on you real quick. You're so done for. Where you at? Yeah, you're done for, buddy. Good night. Good night. Victory. First game on. That could have been really bad. He got me weak as hell, too.
5, 6, 7, 8.